Hi, this is Mandy from Sunflowers and Doors. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to the White Rose Detective Agency. We are on week 4, and again there's a couple of makes for you as part of week 4, and the first one is a simple magnifying glass. So you will get this as a digital, free. It's only free in the Facebook group, which is Junk Journal Fix with Sunflowers and Doors is the Facebook group, and the information for that is below. So by all means, if you're not already a member, then we'd love to see you. But if you are a member, then this will go up in the Facebook group today after my video is released as a freebie digital for your journals. So as I said, this is just a really, really simple magnifying glass. I'm going to have to be very careful because of the way this is cut. So you can just cut this out as is and use it as a just a piece of ephemera. But I'm going to actually create a magnifying glass if I can. So there's 2 of these pieces. They should fit back to back, she says. And I will hold my breath until that time, but you may need to do a little bit of trimming depending on how good your cutting is. But I've kind of mirrored the images so that they should fit back to back quite comfortably. But as I said, that is yet to be proven. But you can definitely trim, play and cut and do whatever to get them as you need them. I'm not taking a huge amount of time in cutting these out, but I probably should be taking more time. So I hate fussy cutting. Any of you who know me know that I hate fussy cutting. So but I know there are some of you out there who absolutely love it. I'll say no more about that. Very, very odd. But yeah, some people absolutely love fussy cutting. So if that's you, I'm sure you'll have a ball at this point. Okay, so there's my 2, which should fit on top of each other. That's not bad. That is not bad. Okay, now the tricky bit is to cut the middle bits out. Now I've got a huge I think I killed that one, to be honest. So I'm going to see how much of this it could take away, because it might then just be a lot easier to cut around it if I take the first piece away like that. So in theory, should be fairly straightforward to cut around. I'm not going to be able to get it all out. Because I don't want it to be, the frame to be too flimsy. So I'm just going to cut around this as best I can. and then we'll link it anyway. So if there are any bits we've missed, hopefully the inking will hide those. So there's one. Not bad. Okay, so there's our two pieces. What I am going to try and put on the insides of these, and I don't know how well it's going to work, so we'll give it a go. You can use anything. You can use this kind of packaging. Literally, you can use whatever you like. Now, I have got some mica tiles here, and I'm going to try and see if these will work. I don't know, is the honest answer. I haven't tried these with a lot of glue stuff before, so we'll have a play. I'm going to quickly just ink around the insides of these, just for where I've missed some of the cutting. Like so. And then I'm going to, I don't know what this is going to glue like, I really don't. So I'm going to have a go first to see what it's like. So I'm going to just glue around the edge, and this is art glitter glue. So it sticks most stuff, in fairness. So I'm going to go with the art glitter glue and see if that will hold that in place. We're hoping that's going to give us a fabulous effect if it works. If it works. And then what I'm going to do, so I'm going to go around again. Going too much on the inside there. I'm going to see okay, so it's not a bad start. Kind of liking where we are. What I am going to do is just go around here, just because I want to make sure that I've got any bits that I haven't matched well, we can cover. Covers a multitude of sins, does this ink business. And now I'm going to see if I can cut around the mica. cuts really easily, in fairness. Cutting it into pieces because I don't want it to completely crack. It's quite brittle. And I'm going to pop these pieces to one side because I don't want to get rid of them because it's really expensive stuff. I won't be able to use them for much, but if I can use them for something better than throwing them away. So let's just go around the edge and get rid of any white bits we might have showing. And again, I'm using Distress Oxide. I'm using the walnut stain, just because it's nice and dark. Now that has worked really well, and what you'll get from the mica is this old kind of distress look, which I absolutely love. But as I said, you can use the packaging stuff, like the cellophane stuff that it comes in. If you've got any of that hanging around, you can use acetate, you can use whatever you like. I'll put a little bit of that on there, just to add a bit of texture. Yeah, you can use whatever you like, but you end up with a really cute little magnifying glass that you can use in your journals. Now, what I would say is this is quite big. You might want it big, or you might want it smaller. So you can just resize the digital as you see fit. But that is the first of our week 4 mix, which is a magnifying glass, which is part of the, I think 4 is sleuths in action. So this is all about our detectives out and about, looking at their clues and kind of going through the evidence and meeting people, examining things, all of that fun stuff. And yeah, that is the first of our makes for week 5. So I hope you enjoyed it. Really, really, really simple. If you wanted to embellish it even more, you can add, I've got somewhere some of this, it's like it's supposed to come out of there, but I had a bit of, I think it's all, oh, no, that might work. Might. Let's have a quick look and see if this comes out. Love this stuff, but I do really struggle. Yeah. So it is coming out. Whether or not I'll be able to use that, I don't know. But so all I've done there is added, this is like one of those Stamperia, I don't know if you can make that out. It's like a wax stuff. So all I've done there is added a little bit of gold that looks like the brass materials that you get on these kind of things. And as I said, you can just play and play and play. I could stay here for, a little while and just really have a fun little play with that. But I am not going to. I'm going to leave it there. Otherwise, I will not get round to the other videos. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you found it useful. Love to know what you think. Use the comments box below by all means. And as I said, the free digital will be going up in the group after the video today. So I will leave it there. And say, as always, stay safe, be well, until we catch up in the next video. Bye for now.